Yes, hello. Today we are going to learn how to create an e-portfolio. Quickly, I'll go to my Chrome, then we write Google Sites. Then when it loads, you come to Google Sites. You need to make sure you've signed in with your Google account. So this one will bring you the page where you have your portfolios, where you can choose which one to create. You can start creating from blank, or you can choose this one which is already created. You can have the student portfolio. So this recent site is where I've created my portfolios. This is where are stored in case you want to check them out. So let's create this one, portfolio. Wait for it to load. Remember to sign in with your account, Google account. So quickly, you can scroll through the page. We have the projects, and the below part is called the footer. We must have the footer. So in case we don't want this part, we remove this. We also remove this one. We add a header. This is our home. First here you put your name. If you have a logo, you put there. These are our navigation pages. Header type, there are 4 header types. We have cover. It covers our whole area. We have large banner. Then we have banner. Then title only. I like to use title inside the pages. I prefer banner. And sometimes we change the image. You can upload an image from your computer, or you select it. Selection method is fast. Let's wait for it to load. You can have these images here. In case you don't see an image, you can search on Google, maybe computer wallpaper. Computer wallpaper, you can have a lot of computers. Then you click select. It loads. That's our home. Remember, our portfolio needs to have an about me. So you just pick this one and drag an about me. This one, let's create about me. You add an image there. You can select image from Google Images. I'd like to search this one. I search Bell person photo. Let's go with the one which is a bit professional, maybe. Then you click insert. So it's very easy in that way. So with this one, I can also add a caption. You can replace the image in case we don't like the image. We can select another image. You can add an alt text. This one we find it in web technology, and mostly websites use it. You can have a caption. Caption is very important. We use this is image of John Doe. This is about a caption. For example, this person is called John Doe. So this one, to add a caption, just click the image. You select on these dots. You can have an alt text and a caption. Alt text, image of John Doe. To make these sites accessible, what we are learning in UDL, click apply. So in case you just highlight the image, it should show the image of John Doe. My name is John Doe. make your profession, talk about your career, just in few lines, your profession. For example, this one we're talking about our education. We are in KNG Tut. Just highlight those important details on about. Yeah, another part, I like to delete this one. I like to delete this part and another one. So we can include another images 3. Let me look for 3. Yeah, 3, we drag it there. So this one focuses on what this lesson is about, maybe computer, projects, assignments. Write a caption. This is assignment page. Another one, this is project page. This is computer area. Then I'll show you how to add a button. Within our insert, we have things like button. For example, you click there, then you click on a button. A button name, you can write it, click here. Maybe let's create it about. So this one creates a button, click here. But first, before that, let's go to create pages. With pages, you can have home, about, maybe, and a project page. To move the pages, you just left click and drag. This one we have about. You can have another page, you just click home, then click to add a new page. A new page we've talked about, maybe our learning. Let's click OK. So everything should be inside our learning. That we can create a sub page. The sub page we created computer. Sub page, this one will create a menu. Click again on our learning. Add a sub page. The other one was project. Then on our learning, right click, left click, then click at sub page. The last one was assignment. Yeah. So let's see how it will appear. When we go back to home, our learning, we have computer, project, and assignment. We have project page, about me, and then another page you need to add that's very important. It's called, let's click the page, contact us page. This one comes below the about. This project page, I want to delete it. It focuses on project name, how long you've done that project, so which is very important. You can have pictures of those projects. Let's create ours from scratch. Delete that. So we delete a page. So remember, we are talking about buttons. To edit a button, you double click on it. This button should lead us to a computer page. Then click update. Let's duplicate this button, duplicate another time. Add there, write Ctrl+C. Then pick a button. It's becoming a problem. Let me delete it. you only need to duplicate a single button. So you move it duplicate a single button, and there. So you double click the button. This one is about project. It will lead us to a project page. Click the site update. Double click this other button. This one should lead us to assignment page. So anytime you click this button, it should open another page. This one we can add images. We'll add it later. Get in touch with us. Write your email address. gmail.com. Remember, when you're down here, it will ask you to add a footer. Add a footer. Say thank you for visiting our site. Click enter. All rights reserved. 2023. Separate it. Create the author of that page. KNG Tut. Highlight them. Then you center align. It's almost like the one we are using in Word. So with that one, to make our page look a bit presentable, you can add an image here. Select an image. This one was about computer wallpapers. Let's pick which one. Then you click insert. This you can add, upload. Select image. I'm not uploading from my computer at the moment. Google Images, project, wallpaper. Can use that one for project. Last one, you can have an assignment. Select image, Google Images, write assignment, wallpaper. Let's click that one, then we insert. That's how our page will appear. Remember, the home page really just talks about when a visitor comes to your page, he just sees the most important thing. Then if he wants, he can click the projects to see what your projects are about. Let's go to our project, computer. Then here we can have things like we can insert. We can insert text. Computer. This text can be increased the size to maybe 18 it a bit smaller. You can have it at 24. You can highlight, Control B or bold it. You can have italic, you can have underline. Because it's a professional website, you want to keep it at mostly a bit professional. So you right click. What about computer? What is a computer? For example, you want to include a text here. This one is taken from Wikipedia. Control C, Control V. You can see you can change the font color by going there. click computer. On our image, on our portfolio, you can have another image. Let's look for an image placeholder. Let's look for placeholder. This placeholder will appear here. You can increase the size. Placeholder, upload an image or select an image of a computer. Computer wallpapers. Yeah, this one looks good. Insert it here. Can increase the size. Remember, we can have a caption. You can replace the image. When clicking an image, we have these 3 dots. You can crop first, is to reduce the size. You can uncrop. You can insert a link. When you click this image, it gets you to a different site. For example, insert a link. Then we copy a link on let's write wallpapers for computer. Maybe this one's here. So you can copy this link, Control C. Then we paste it on our website. So the minute you click this picture, it will take you to this site. That's how you add an image. You want to duplicate this image, you want to delete this one, more editing. So we add a caption. This image shows a computer on a desk. That's how you write caption for UDL purposes. Another thing, you can write alt text. Alt text, just write computer on a desk. Computer on a desk. Then you click apply. That's about. So the minute you click this link, it should open up to it. So another part we are going to do is, let's try to add a YouTube. To place a YouTube link. Yeah? You can use that method, or mostly if you have a video you've uploaded on YouTube, you embed it by the code. Let's write computer apples. No, let's write Apple computer. For example, they're introducing this Apple computer. You right click, then click copy link address. Let's see how it will appear. Right click, paste the link you copied, then you insert. That's how you get a video from YouTube to include it on your portfolio. You see, it's a good page. Another thing I haven't focused on, and it's very important, we can have the social links. Social links, first link, let's create. If, for example, you have a Facebook page, fb.com/your name, or the link of your page, you can go and copy on your Facebook. Just let's write, for this tutorial purposes, just let's see how it will appear. www.google.com. Then we insert. See how they appear. So this one mostly are found below. You can change their colors. Not Control Z. Can change the color maybe. That's important, that's okay. That's how you insert a Google link. So if someone clicks, that's how you insert a social link. if someone clicks here on Facebook, it will take them direct to Facebook. This one will take them to YouTube, and this other one we said it was Google. Another thing we haven't focused on, we have image carousel. Image carousel, these are many images. You just upload images here. Let's select for this purpose. Computer images, yes. Let's pick that one. Another one. So carousel can accept many images. And yes, not that one. What's that one? So you just insert them. And you click insert. Let's wait for it to load. The image is not appearing good, that's how you. So remember, we've just focused on a single page, and this one will show our work, but I want this one to move down, the social links to appear below after our page. Let's increase the size a bit, center our image until you see those lines. So a carousel will have 4 images. You can just slide and see them. We have other things like calendar in case you want to add a form. This form, just when you'll use it in a contact side. Another thing we missed out, no textbox is okay. Images, drive. So it's a bit simpler. We can use theme. Let's check on a theme. Theme, you can choose how your link you want it to appear. There's Diplomat, can have Aristotle, then you choose a color. You want your website to be what color? Diplomat, let's say Diplomat is that way. Mine, I prefer to be Aristotle. Let's try a red color. At whichever color. You can have impression. Impression is also okay. That's how you do with themes here. Let's return mine to Aristotle. Another thing we haven't focused on is to be able to publish these links. First, you need to publish our page. To publish means you are saving the page. So you write the name of your page. King tutorial. Request published search engines to not display my site. This one you're asking Google to not show your page. Anyone who can view my site, manage. But you don't have to go there. Let's see what it says. Yeah, you can have your page published, to be published on public or restricted. You can share it with another account. Maybe I have this one. It's called Bethshello. I can share. So it will send the message to Bethshello. I want you to be an editor. You can choose the role of an editor or published viewer. If you want them to see, just select them to be published viewer. If you want them to edit, to help you in editing, send them message. So the minute they'll open their accounts, it will have them as an editor. You have KNG Tut. Our site is KNG Tut. We publish. It has been published successfully. It has written down here, published successfully. So anytime you want to copy this link, you just click here, copy published site link. Click copy published site link, copy. But that's not the best way. I prefer you go to your home page. When you're in your home page, then you can copy the links. So whoever will see the view, will see the page, will have to navigate through these pages. Yeah. So you can go to computer. In case of teacher, once you are your site, you send them that link which you copied here. Yeah, share with others. Settings, let's see settings. Some navigations appear on the side, from this side. That's not good. I like mine to appear on top side. Have brand images. You can upload a logo here. You have viewer tools. This one haven't really checked on them. And click it. Then you publish to save your work. Review changes and publish. There are no unpublished changes to review. So anytime you edit, there will be a review. We'll be doing a review. So on about page, then I'll do it specifically. You can add some things on about page. You can change the image the way we saw. You can remove this one. You can add a header, then you just write about. This header you can include it to be title only or banner, depending on what you want, what you'd like. Yes. So other thing, contact us page, I'll deal with the next video. Let's try to create a contact us page. So thank you. So that's about it.